Imagine you're floating in deep space, searching for a new home for humanity. Suddenly, your ship's alarms blare. An enormous swirling vortex appears ahead. A black hole. Instead of avoiding it, you make a bold choice. What if you went in? Would you discover the secrets of the universe? Or would you be stretched into oblivion? Brace yourself, because this is about to get terrifying. Despite its name, a black hole isn't an empty void. It's a place where the laws of physics collapse. When a massive star dies, its core collapses under gravity's immense force. If the remaining mass is 3 times that of our Sun, gravity wins, crushing it into an infinitely small, ultra-dense point, a black hole. Think about it this way. The Sun's gravity is already 28 times stronger than Earth's. Now, imagine squeezing 4 suns into a space the size of a city. That's the kind of gravity we're dealing with. A black hole's gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. That's why it's invisible. The only reason we know they exist is because of the deadly gamma-ray bursts they emit. Stephen Hawking believed black holes could be gateways to another universe. But is that really the case? What would happen if you actually fell in? Every black hole has an event horizon, a one-way boundary. Once you cross it, there's no coming back. If you fell in feet first, the difference in gravity between your feet and your head would be so extreme that you'd be stretched like spaghetti before you even got close. Scientists literally call this process spaghettification. Not all black holes are the same. Stellar black holes, about 9 miles wide, will rip you apart before you reach the event horizon. But if you choose a supermassive black hole, 1,000,000 times heavier than the Sun, you might just survive crossing it for a while. Fun fact, there's a supermassive black hole in the center of our Milky Way. Don't worry, it's 165 quadrillion miles away. You won't be falling into it anytime soon, hopefully. As you cross the event horizon, something truly bizarre happens. To an outside observer, you freeze in time. They'd see you slowing down, turning redder, and eventually just stop on. Why? Because inside a black hole, space and time swap places. Time stops. Space pulls you forward. You wouldn't be able to turn back any more than you could rewind time itself. At the core of the black hole is the singularity, a point where density becomes infinite. If you reached it, you'd be crushed into an infinitely small speck. Your atoms would merge with the black hole itself. You'd become part of it, forever. And even if the black hole eventually died, evaporating over trillions of years, there would be no way to tell that you ever existed. Or would there? Stephen Hawking had a wild idea. Maybe black holes don't destroy information. Maybe they send it somewhere else. This means, in one reality, you fell into a black hole. In another reality, you never did. If true, black holes might not be just cosmic death traps, but gateways to parallel universes. If that were the case, would you dare jump in? Falling into a black hole is not the adventure you want. But what if Earth was slowly being pulled toward one? Or what if we discovered a wormhole instead? Stick around, because next time, we're diving into another mind-bending what-if scenario.